Hey Matt, just a quick heads up. I'm really struggling with making those 3D queries work. Like 2D queries, they work like a charm. I can switch between abilities and it's very hard to break them. Like I can change collision channels or anything, but once I've taken any of the abilities, they are all set up in the same way. I just take one of them, take the query, and I change it to be 3D. Well, with this angle, it will break completely. It will not hit anything. See, the second ability gets targets, first one doesn't. And you know, I can like change doing it async. I can add visibility, camera, like all those query channels doesn't really matter. It still will not record any hits. Nothing. Hmm. Unless maybe I will make this a bit far away, but I think that's the problem. No. So that still just doesn't work. Okay. So even if I lower the angle to something that is more visible, by the way, look how it, what is it doing? I have no idea. And yeah, I can change the height as well. It also doesn't change anything. I can do it like this. It looks fine. It will not work. It doesn't matter what's the aim. To see, sometimes it will hit, but only at certain angles. Other side it won't. It's maybe because the origin is self. Maybe I will change it to the owner, which is the pawn itself, because the camera is not pegged to the rotation, but still, it just doesn't work consistently. It works only when I am looking in one direction. And it's working in this. Why? Why is that so? Like the second one always works. All the 2D queries work, and 2D queries works no matter what the angle. They will always work perfectly. 3D queries, not so much. And if I'm changing the flow, that is happening. I can really make it like a giant, and I can make it really huge. It will not register any hits. See, nothing. Unless I look this direction, then that will hit everything. First attack. No side, nothing. Nothing, nothing. So it works only when you're facing forward. I think that in your project, the example project, all characters on this map are facing this direction. So the direction that those 3D queries work, but they don't work other directions. God knows why. I have no idea. 2D queries work always. And they work no matter what's the origin, what's the source. It can be self, it can be owner, they will behave the same. 3D queries works only when they are facing this direction. Strange. Okay, hope that helps to debug the situation.